perfect because I'm doing it. This is not what I was planning for. I don't know what she's doing, but my dog, look at this. Hey girl. Yeah. Are you gonna stand there? You're a bit in the way, just... I don't know if it's a good... Okay. Do you have to sit right there? Get out of the frame. Hello and welcome to a new video here on the channel. Today we are chopping my hair off. Yeah, it's really bad at the moment because I bleached it twice in the last video where I tried to get rid of my green hair color that I had before, and it took some damage from that, so we have to cut some off because the ends are really bad. Yeah, I just want to have that feeling when you've just cut your hair and it's just, you know, smooth. So today we are chopping it off. Chop chop. Wish me luck. I don't even have a mirror with me here, so we'll see if I can just use the camera screen. Otherwise we're gonna have to move this we're gonna have to move to the bathroom. I've always been cutting my hair, or not always, but since I was like 14, I've been cutting my own hair. And it's just because I think it's too freaking expensive to go to the hair salon. I don't know, yeah. And I always get disappointed, and I feel like if I'm gonna get disappointed, I might as well do it myself, and then I can get disappointed at myself instead of someone else. I'm gonna put this on. Okay, I'm gonna go and get some rubber. Okay, I'm just gonna go and get some rubber hair ties, and then I'm gonna be right back. Okay, you know how I said I did that. Okay, you know how I said that I don't have a mirror that I can bring with me? I actually managed to take down the actual mirror in our bathroom. So now I have a mirror, so I can use this, and then I can't blame that I didn't have a mirror if it goes really bad. So yeah, so that's why I'm looking down here, if you're wondering. And I got rubber hair ties, and what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna part my hair in the middle, like that, like that, like that. And usually I wet my hair before I do this. It might actually be a good idea to do that. Should I do that? I'm so lazy. I just feel like doing that. I should probably do that. Okay, I'm gonna be back in a few minutes, and then we're gonna start shopping. Okay, I'm back. I have now wet my hair, and we are just gonna comb it through, and it's show time. And then I use a comb, and I just comb it back towards the neck, like so. I don't know how much we're chopping off, but... And then I just pull it back, and then I just use these small rubber hair ties, and I put one control there, like that. And then I take a second one, and I put it where I want to chop off my hair. So I can like pull it down to where I want it. Did I cut off that much? Yeah, sure, why not? Then I'm just gonna use my... Where did I put my scissor? Okay. Then we are just gonna chop that thing off. So what you do is you just take the hair and you just go... Shit, I might have cut too much off. Okay. Okay, so now what you do is you just like try to make it real straight. So you can see from the side that stuff is like hanging out. So you like keep on cutting. And the best thing is if you have a razor machine. What is it called? I don't know what it's called, but you know the ones the guys use to get rid of their beard. One of those, because then you can go all the way down to the hair tie and make it like really clean. The cut would be perfect. Now it won't be perfect because I'm doing it, but we're just gonna do our best. I know that there's gonna be like hairdressers watching this and they're gonna be like, what the f is she doing? I bet that there's a way to do this that is like a lot better for the hair and a lot of weird rules, but I don't care. Okay, it's not perfect as you can tell. Right now they're going like this, so it's not straight, and then I just try to cut those mountains off, or whatever you want to call them, make them equal to the craters. So now I'm happy, I'm satisfied. So let's take this off. It's really freaking short. This is not what I was planning for, but it's okay, let's go with it. I mean, I have to go with it. I don't really have a choice. Okay, then I just go like this. So we're just gonna make this cut a bit better. I mean, it's not perfect, but it looks straight to me. I'm probably gonna go and look in the mirror at the back as well, because that's probably not straight. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna go and I'm gonna wash my hair and I'm gonna blow dry it and make it as straight as possible, and then I'm gonna cut the edges so it gets clean, or whatever you want to call it. Okay, so I have now dried my hair and now we're just gonna fix the edges because it looks really, you know, yeah, it doesn't look really, it doesn't look that good at the moment. So what I do, I just go like, I don't know how, I don't cut it off, but I kind of like just take off the first layer. So like I just run it through my hair, and that is just to make it not as, I don't know, it's not as like, yeah, it's as, I don't know what it, yeah, I don't know how to explain it, but I got a hair in my throat. Okay, so I should just stop talking and just do this instead. I feel like I did a decent job. So that's pretty much it. That's how I cut my hair. I just go with it. And if it turns out really bad, just remember that it will grow out. It looks like I'm naked, doesn't it? Okay. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up below and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye. Trying to fix my hair. It's like, come on. Can you move? Okay. Yeah, okay. I get it.
One time. Standard. Baby. One time. It's got to be. Lego. Passing the prime.